Hi, my name is Annie and I'm an artist who specialises in bullet journaling. You can find my projects on Instagram and on my website. I've worked for clients like My Life Handmade, Rescue Remedy and Simply Lettering magazine. Bullet journaling started as a hobby and became my life project. It's my way to organise my day by day, besides a fantastic mindfulness tool to keep me grounded and centred. I work to create striking page layouts which combine lettering and painting, while simultaneously providing a place for me to store all of my ideas, thoughts and memories in a creative way. I'm known for my simple, clean designs and love of nature, especially flowers and leaves, which are the main themes of my projects. I also include drawings, maps and notes in my journal, which reveal my great enthusiasm for discovering different cities and cultures. In this Domestika course, you will learn how to create a handmade, functional and stylish bullet journaling combining different drawing and lettering styles. For the final project, you'll create an illustrative, personal bullet journal that works for you and includes a theme that interests you. To get started, I'll show you the different types of journals that you can find and to help you choose the one that can suit you best. We'll talk about different pens and pencils and other materials which will be of help with your creations. I will show you the different elements that you can incorporate in your journals. Monthly logs, weekly logs and daily logs alongside calendars, personalised collections and habit trackers. You'll also learn how to approach bullet journaling in a creative way by adding illustrations and lettering. I'll show you how to create monthly trackers, unique collections, contents pages and an artistic cover. I'll share with you everything I know about keeping a nice bullet journaling practice, dealing with mistakes, as well as how to put your work out there on social media. By the end of the course, you'll have learned all of the methodology to start your own bullet journal, including the key components to different lettering and illustration techniques. Let's create together a beautiful journal to organise our lives.